Okay.
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 Alright.
Siapa nama anda?
Okay. Nama saya Todak.
Bilakah anda mula Drift RC?
Okey, saya bermula bermain RC Drift 2010. Ya, 2010. That time is CS 4 wheel.
CS Ferry.
Yeah. That time don't have RWD. Only 4 wheel drive, but we modified rear ratio, become more overspin. The ratio more overspin than front. Rear ratio is overdrive.
So drive so fast.
Yeah, so far. So it become more easy to drift. But CS compared to RWD more easy to play, more fun to drive because have gyro. CS 4WD no gyro.
14 years ago,
Yeah,
nothing gyro.
yeah, nothing gyro. Yes.
Apakah chassis anda gunakan?
Okay, chassis yang saya gunakan buat masa ini adalah daripada Yokomo. Ya, MD 1.0, Master Drift 1.0. This chassis. I need to use Yokomo because I am a Yokomo factory driver.
Yokomo factory driver?
Yes.
Are you?
Yes.
Oh.
Thank you to Yokomo because sponsor me.
You're great. Apakah model body shell?
Okay, model shell daripada model Yokomo juga, FC. Mazda FC, RX-7 FC.
RX-7.
Yes, RX-7 FC.
Yes.
This is my favorite body shell. I love to use Mazda RX-7 FC. But sometimes when the track is high speed, like Yatabe Arena, very big and high speed, I like to use longer body shell, like 180SX.
180SX.
Yes.
Are you have
Yes.
FC and 180SX?
Yes, 180SX.
Apakah kereta kegemaran anda?
Kegemaran ataupun favorite, always Yokomo.
Yokomo.
Yeah.
Yokomo mesin.
Yokomo machine. Because I think Yokomo is always R&D in drift, and Yokomo is already long time very serious in develop RC drift chassis. So I like Yokomo progress, and now also I know Yokomo is developing some of new product of RC drift, also including the new chassis will come on out.
Yokomo only.
Yeah.
Another maker, what do you think?
Another maker, I think maybe Revdi also now coming very strong, interesting. Revdi also make very new and exciting product also.
Saya ingin bertanya beberapa perkataan untuk peminat RC Drift di Jepang.
Untuk peminat-peminat RC Drift di Japan, keep enjoy RC Drift. We know nowadays it's hard to see young people to start to play RC drift because now young generation is more to gadget, gaming and computer.
Yes.
But like last time when I first time go to Japan, Yatabe Arena in 2012, I can see many children was running in the Yatabe Arena. Compared to the last time, 2019, I think maybe one of two only children was playing RC. Nowadays, only people who play RC is only old people. That last time is really like to play RC. For younger people, we can see very less. So I hope you guys keep playing and enjoy the RC drift. I hope I can go to Japan and meet all our friends in Japan and play together.
I think so. Young user, more young user need.
Yeah, because now it's very less. Because young user now more like to play handphone, gaming, more like that.
I think so.
Okay, thank you juga. And I also want to say thank you to Sato-san because you come here, take video our track while we playing and promoting on the YouTube. Yeah, very much thank you to you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Finish.
Arigatou gozaimasu.
ありがとう。
This is my first time interview. I never do this. And actually, I'm very shy in camera.
You shy?
Yeah, very shy.
Very shy?
Yeah.
Really?